Let's see what we're building. This is our application, guys. We have this beautiful landing page that you can see. We have a inventory management system header right there, and we have a bottom here. It's not that much, it's just a landing. When anybody just come right away into our application, he will see this page, and that says the inventory management system, guys. Also, when we click this button, that we have this beautiful sign-in form here, that login page, and we have also register page. See how that beautifully rendering. Okay, we using framer motion for that, for the animation, guys. We will use that for framer motion for the animation. So let's submit and use one of our credential in our database. Let's say I'm using for Angelina. Let's say I will it's just a test for that Angelina. I will say angelina@gmail.com. Then I will just use that password, then I will just hit enter. See, that is successfully logging our page, guys. Then this is the dashboard we have. This is the dashboard. We will have this dashboard, and we will have that beautiful UI, and as well as this is gonna be fully functioning, guys. This is fully functioning in all screens. Let's go to the, okay, I will just go to the what we call in mobile view. Let's have this one in our mobile view, guys. I will just come and show you that we will have this in a mobile view. That is beautifully rendering, and this is fully functioning, guys. This is toggling, and you can see, and you can also open your navigation is from here, guys, and it's fully functioning. Everything is that you can see that is fully functioning. So let's come again. What we have, this is where inventory people, inventory companies, this is how they manage their inventory. Okay, so what we will do is that we have this beautiful screens and this dashboard is, guys, and we have an inventory and procurement people. Okay, we will have these two different employee in our navigation. We also have a different employee that can have different clearance and maybe different functionality in our application. But let's say I have my dashboard here. This is the dashboard. There's a list of product that you see that is in inventory, our warehouse. This is real-time application, guys. So what we need is that we just have two buttons, and this is also working, and you can add any category model here. Also, there's a create product from here, and you can have any product that you want. So let's have a test for this product. So I will have a cone stock, then I will just make this example because I want to show you what we're building, guys. Also, I will add manufacturer. I will make this one local. It's gonna be local. You can create that functionality, that CRUD operation. We will have everything in CRUD operation, guys. So also I will have a location. It's gonna be A3. If I save that is gonna save my product, guys, whatever that I created right now, and that will just come out here. I can delete that. If I press that delete, I can delete that also, and I have a beautiful toast notification. I can get this beautiful message to say that product created, as well as if I go to that warehouse, I can order all these because we have a factory requisition and purchase requisition, guys. So when I want to order a product, I'm ordering for maybe in the warehouse or maybe outside for the warehouse in the company. Okay, so I'm ordering for this for the warehouse. Let's say we have a stock. Let's say we have 1,000 here, and if I say I add 1,000 and I just hit enter and I add requisition, it's gonna give me this requisition note that is gonna give me that requisition, and that will add my car in that requisition. If I add one more, that is gonna also add that, and it's gonna update real time, guys. Let's also add this one like 500 because we want to order these two for the company. Okay, I will just continue. That is gonna be my quantity is 1,500. You can see cart requisition, I have 1,500. So if I continue that requisition, there is two option methods. This is for factory requisition, means that if I do for the factory requisition, maybe the company they will use and for that item is what they need for their purpose inside the company. That is gonna minus our stock because we have a stock here. Let's say we have a stock here that each item has a stock that like how many pieces we have for that product. Okay, so that will minus our stock if we order that for what we call, I say, continuous relaxation. If I order for the factory, that means that is gonna update our stock and that is gonna minus. Later on, the person who has the clearance will update that. Also, purchase requisition, it's like something that the company they order from outside and the procurement people they just order for the company. Okay, so let's say we have that for the factory requisition. I did for the factory requisition and I just continue the order. Let's say this is factory requisition notice screen. We have a lot of beautiful screens, guys, and dashboards that we will build because this is like this I will take from beginner to advanced level, guys. This is real-time application. It's not something that you just wanna create, or maybe if you wanna build this thing, guys, that is a real-time application. This is how real companies they make their application, or maybe any software that they want to use for management. Okay, so let's continue the order. I have this beautiful approved model, guys. See why we request this one. The person who works the real-time data, when the real worker is real employee they put in data, they have to add some model, maybe the person who ordered that, why he ordered, who approved that, the department who approved it, and for the some common that purpose of usage. Okay, so let's say I order, let's say YMC order this one, the warehouse team they approve it, and I will just some command for office and production use. I will say that. Let's continue then we have this again place order screen. This is the what we talking about, guys. This is a place order that we have to save this requisition, and that is adding into our LBO because that's gonna be our local purchase orders. That's where every orders that going through is going to that LBO. Okay, because there is LBO, there is GRN, there is a lot of things, guys, you have to do. Okay, let's come place that place order and I save my requisition. That's gonna save my requisition and my card is gonna be whatever requisition is I have, it's gonna be cleared out. So this user have this Angelina Jonas, she has two orders. This okay, she has two orders, one of these and one of the BB baggies and 7 speed machine. This is the what we did right now, and you will have this order details. If I deliver this order, that is gonna minus our stock. Whatever minus is gonna be that 1000, that 500 is gonna be minus because that's removed from the warehouse, from the company. That will be going outside of the warehouse, so that will minus our stock, whatever we have this stock, guys. Let's say these PB bags they have 15,300, and let's say we will make that, where is my, let's say my requisition, and let's check that. Okay, that is 1000. Okay, and we have that BB bag is for what, 15,300, right? Let's minus this one, that is gonna be 14,000 if I just deliver that order, and that LBO will change. Right now it's pending, but if I make that requisition, that deliver, that is gonna minus our stock. That 1000 is gonna cut it out from our warehouse, and this is factory requisition. Let's deliver this order. I deliver that order, that is gonna give me the deliver date. Let's check that BB bags. Right now what we have, it's gonna be less than, because that 1000 removed from the warehouse. So we have what, 14,300. That's before it was like 15,000, right? So that is gonna be also what we will have. And let's say that local purchase orders, this is for the what we call, let's have this one inside the whatever is that, it's gonna be warehouse people. So I will just make that YMC for the warehouse because I'm using the, because nobody can see, but human people they only receive the orders that they make the warehouse team, because they are the one who responsible sending orders, right? So this LBO that is gonna be for this user, okay? Because this guy works for the warehouse, and these procurement people, they only want to receive the orders that the warehouse team they did. His orders will come directly to this procurement because they are the one who ordering for the company, because he works for the warehouse and he needs some stuff, and that product, that warehouse, whatever that product that needed, when they want to order, this procurement people, their work is, their job is, they have to purchase that item from outside and they have to fill into the warehouse and they have to deliver that item to the company. So if this procurement guys, this local purchase orders, we have this pending orders, okay? Because this is only use if we have, and that is gonna be what orders he make for the company, okay? Because he works for the for the, let's call, for the warehouse. He works for the warehouse, and his orders, they will come this. So if I check this orders and I view the order, this is purchase requisition, because this purchase requisition is for the company, and we have this beautiful UI that we can check the detail of the order and we can do some actions, we can update some stuff. Also, I included this, the already existing order, you can update that order for some changes or maybe update that data, and the person who has the clearance can update that. Because let's say this order is happening and these procurement people, they want to purchase this item, so they have to put the price they purchase for that item. When they did the purchase, they pay money and they have to put the price they make and maybe the supplier they get from. So if I deliver that order, because let's say Angelina works as admin, that's why she has all the functionality, because she can deliver order and she can do anything for any functionality, guys. So let's make this one deliver. I deliver that order, that is gonna update my stock and that is gonna plus my stock, okay? So, and that will give me the receive date and that order is gonna be received. This is G-Bad blade, so that is will update my stock. Let's say, okay, this is the product we have, this will update my stock, that's 10,200 right now. That will update my stock and that is incrementing, okay? Because that is gonna be inside and that is coming to the company, okay guys? And we have a GRN, that is good receive note, that all items that received into the company, it will come this dashboard, guys. This beautiful dashboard we have here, it's gonna be good receive note. So we have a lot of functionality, we can do a lot of stuff. This beautiful UI we can create, and that is gonna be very responsive. We can have all screens. So let's check these things, guys, out together. Let's build this application together. And I want to say that is very excited course, that is not like any course that anyone created. It's real-time experience that you will have a lot of experience by building this application, guys. So I want to see you in the course. I want to see you that doing some great stuff, you know, in your journey as a software, as a full stack software developer. I will see you in the course, guys.